You saw the Google I/O keynote. You saw the polished demos of Veo 3 making cinematic videos with perfect audio. You saw the viral Bigfoot vlogs and the satisfying ASMR clips. But what if I told you that was just the public-facing version? What if the most powerful, game-changing features of Veo 3 were never shown on stage? While everyone was focused on the official announcements, I've been digging through developer documents, API calls, and obscure product pages. And what I found reveals a completely different side of Veo 3. Today, we're going beyond the marketing. These are the leaked features and hidden capabilities of Veo 3 that Google isn't talking about. Leak 1. The developer mode. Directing with JSON. The first secret is how power users are getting such precise control. While the demos show people typing simple sentences, the real magic is happening in what I'm calling developer mode. Veo 3 can be directed using JSON, a structured data format that works less like a prompt and more like a director's shot list. Look at this. A regular prompt might be, "A man in a thriller movie." You get something decent. But with JSON, you can define everything. The scene, the characters, their appearance, their emotions, the exact camera movements, the audio cues, and the cinematic style, all as separate commands. You can specify a wide shot of the arena, then a close-up on the contestants' terrified eyes, all while calling for a suspenseful bass-heavy score. This isn't just prompting, it's programming a movie. It's how creators are getting those consistently professional results, and it's a capability Google has kept very quiet. Leak 2. The Un-disableable prompt enhancement engine. Here's where it gets a little strange. Ever feel like an AI is thinking for you? With Veo 3, it actually is. Buried in the API documentation is a feature called prompt enhancement. This is an LLM-based tool that automatically rewrites your prompts to add more detail, cinematic language, and audio cues before generating the video. The goal is to give you a better result. But here's the leak. For the main Veo 3 model, you cannot turn this feature off. The AI is always interpreting and changing your instructions. So how do you know what it's actually doing? There's a hack. If your original prompt is under 30 words, the API will return the rewritten, enhanced version it used. This gives you a secret window into the AI's creative process, letting you learn from its choices and reverse engineer what makes a great prompt. Leak 3. The secret sports division Veo Analytics. This next one is the biggest leak of all, and it changes everything we thought we knew about Veo. We all think of Veo as a creative tool for making movies and social media clips. But what if I told you there's an entirely separate Veo, a secret division focused on professional sports? It's true. While Google DeepMind develops the creative model, a company called Veo Technologies has been building AI-powered sports cameras, also called Veo, that are already being used by teams worldwide. These cameras don't just record games. They use AI to automatically track the ball, create highlight reels, and perform advanced analytics. The system has AI event detection for goals, corner kicks, scrums, and face-offs. It has an interactive player to analyze specific moments and even a player spotlight add-on. This isn't just a coincidence of naming. It points to a much larger, unannounced strategy to merge cinematic AI with real-world sports analytics. Imagine a future where Veo can not only record your game but also generate a cinematic, broadcast-quality highlight package with AI commentary, instantly. This is the hidden roadmap, and it goes far beyond just making cool videos. Leak 4. The hidden limitations. They don't advertise with every powerful new tool. There are limitations they don't put in the press release. And I found a few big ones for Veo 3. First, that amazing audio generation? It has a critical weakness. While text-to-video can generate full dialogue, the image-to-video feature is a different story. If you upload an image to Animated, Veo 3 can generate sound effects and music, but it cannot generate speech. That's a huge limitation for anyone wanting to create talking avatars from a still image. Second, some of the most hyped creative features, like ingredients, for character consistency and direct camera controls, reportedly don't work properly with the main Veo 3 model yet. Users are finding they have to rely on older models or complex prompting hacks to get the results they want. These are the fine print details that get lost in the hype. Leak 5. The Endgame, the path to playable worlds. So, what is the secret endgame for Veo 3? It's not just about making videos. The ultimate goal appears to be the creation of interactive, playable AI worlds. Speculation is swirling in the developer community that Google's plan is to integrate Veo 3's world generation capabilities with other models, like Google's Genie, which is designed to create interactive environments from a single image. The idea is to move beyond passive content. Imagine generating a scene with Veo 3 and then being able to step inside and interact with it. This would revolutionize not just content creation, but video games, simulations, and training. While Google has remained tight-lipped, this is the logical next step that connects all the dots, from cinematic quality to real-world physics simulation. So there you have it. The secret developer mode, the un-disableable prompt engine, the hidden sports division, the unadvertised limitations, and the ultimate goal of creating entire worlds. Veo 3 is far more complex and ambitious than Google let on at I/O. The future of AI video isn't just about what we can create, but about the hidden layers of control and capability that are just now coming to light. What do you think of these leaked features? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on the AI world, make sure you subscribe and watch other videos and playlists, linked to here.